It's an issue of dispute, but the most authentic opinion and the majority of Muslims, they say, according to hadith of Ubadah ibn Samit, may Allah be pleased with him, that it is not mandatory. The only thing that is mandatory, the 5 daily prayers, which the Prophet ﷺ has stated in hadith, khamsu salawat, 5 mandatory prayers that Allah has obligated upon His servants. Whoever performs them on time and perfects their wudu and their ruku' and their sujood, he has a pledge with Allah Azza wa Jal to forgive his sins. And whoever doesn't, then it is up to Allah whether to forgive or to punish. So Ubadah ibn Samit said this hadith when he heard that there were other companions stating that witr is wajib. So he got angry and he said, no, this is not true. And the evidence is the hadith of the Prophet alayhi as-salatu was-salam. Is it permissible for a woman to get her underarms and pubic hair removed by a woman at the saloon? As for the armpit or the underarms hair, this is acceptable because the area is not a definite awrah for a woman to look at. So for necessity, for a need, yeah, this is applicable, as in the case when a woman breastfeeds her child in front of another woman. Definitely something would show, and this is not considered to be a heavy awrah. It is negligible and accepted between women themselves for a need. As for the pubic hair, it's an issue of dispute. Some schools of thought say that this is okay, and others say, no, this is not okay at all, unless there's a necessity. There is a real need for it, as in the case of a woman who's so fat, cannot see her pubic area, cannot remove herself, or she is handicapped, she cannot reach it, she is unable to do it on her own, or because the area needs treatment due to the heavy growth of hair and that it cannot be removed in normal ways, whatever. If there's a real need and a necessity, then this becomes permissible, as when a woman goes to a doctor, a gynecologist, to examine her and look at places no one is permitted to look at except her spouse. But this is for necessity permissible, same thing. Generally speaking, going to do your Brazilian bikini or whatever, this is not permissible at all. It's haram, it's forbidden, it's a major sin. And not only that, the people usually go for laser treatment. This laser treatment is permissible providing it is safe, medically safe,